Hello guys, we are back again, and in this session we are going to do some more questions on chain rule. As in the last session, which was second session on chain rule, we have discussed some three more questions, and in the first session we discussed the basic of chain rule. But before starting with the session, hope you have subscribed the channel Omega Pi IIT and Gate, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they can also secure some good marks in their engineering examination of mathematics. So with that said, now let's begin with the questions. So the first question which we are going to encounter is as follow, based on chain rule. If u equals to f of x square minus y square comma y square minus x z square comma z square minus x square, prove that 1 by x dou u by dou x plus 1 by y dou u by dou y plus 1 by z dou u by dou z equal to 0. Now this is a new variety of questions where you will know your central function. Okay, first job is what to draw the chart. We know our central function is u, but here you will not be able to know the middle functions, okay, because you have to consider them. Okay, so what you have to do, how you have to proceed in this problem, first you have to write the given thing. U is equals to x square minus y square minus z square by z square minus x square, right? Then you have to consider let r equals to x square minus y square, s equals to y square minus z square, t equals to z square minus x square, right? Now you know what is your r. The middle functions are r, s and t respectively. Now r is a combination of x comma y, s is a combination of y comma z, and t is a combination of z comma x. You can see it has z and x variable, it has y and z variable, it has x and y variable respectively. Now how we are going to proceed, we have to explain this chart. Okay, how we explain this chart in examination, you don't have the right to draw this. Okay, it's just for your understanding so that you don't mistake while applying chain rule. Now how you have to proceed, you have to draw this chart. After that only you will allowed to apply the chain rule. So after this you can write it x y z. After this what you have to say, by chain rule, let's get this chain. Du by dx will be what? It will be du by dr into dr by dx. First path which we have followed. Second, where is there any x term? Yes, there is x term in t. So dou u by dou t into dou t by dou x. Yeah, I know there is no term in here, but you have to write it then also, so that in the next step you can put them 0. But after this what you have to do, get the values. Okay, dr by dx is nothing but differentiating this, which will be what? D by dx into r square minus y square, which will be nothing but 2r, right? Now here, sorry, this is x, so it is 2x. Now dt by dx will be nothing but, this is t, so it will d by dx into t is what? Z square minus x square, z square minus x square, which is nothing but, if you differentiate this, it will be nothing but minus 2x. Okay, now if we substitute the values, I will left with dou u by dou r into 2x plus dou u by dou t into minus 2x. If you observe, I'm going to take 2x outside, and I will be left with dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou t, right? Call it some 2. Call this one as 1. Okay, because it will not be useful. This one will be the one which will be used more significantly. Now again, by chain rule, what you have to do, right here, similarly du by dy will be what? Du by dr into dr by dy. Second, du by ds into ds by dy, du by dt into dt by dy. Although there is no y term here, but you have to write in the next step, you can eliminate. Now you can directly write the values because you have put similarly. Du u by dr, it is dr by dy. Substitute this, differentiate this with respect to y, you will get minus 2y. differentiate this s with respect to y. What you get? 2y. So do u by do s 2y, and this will be what? dt by dy, dt by dy, which will be 0. If I further on proceed, I will take 2y common, left with dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou r, right? So this is what dou u by dou y. So I'm getting this thing, which is my third thing. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go by similarly dou u by dou z, which will be, there are no terms, dou u by dou r in x, dou u by dou r into dou z. Although this is 0, dou u by dou s into dou s by dou what? This is what? Here there is that term, dou u by dou t into dou t by dou what? Is there any z term? Yes. Now you can put it 0. You have to differentiate this s with respect to z, which will be minus 2z. So it will be dou u by dou s into minus 2z. This will be what? In the next term will be nothing but 2z. So dou u by dou t into 2z, right? You can take 2z outside, you will be left with dou u by dou t minus dou u by dou s. After this you are getting dou u by dou z like this, right? Now what we can do, we will just call it 3, not 3, we will call it as 4. We will just add, do one thing, we will multiply this by, okay, put the values and apply. So 1 by x, we will substitute the value, dou u by dou x value from here, which is 2x into dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou t. Further on, what you have to do is 1 by x you got. Now further on it will be plus 1 by y into dou u by dou y. Dou u by dou y value you have, it is as 2y into dou u by dou s, right, minus dou u by dou r, right? You got this. After that, minus 1 plus 1 by z into 2z. What you are going to write? This thing, 2 du by dt minus du by ds. If you observe z will cancel out, you will take 2 outside, and you can observe dou u by dou r minus dou u by dou t plus dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou r plus dou u by dou t minus dou u by dou s. So this all are cancelling out and giving you answer 0. So we have proved the first question, which was proving 1 by x dou u by dou x plus 1 by y dou u by dou y plus 1 by z dou u by dou z equal to 0, which we have proved. Now let's proceed further. In the further section of this chapter, we have this thing, which is this stuff. If u equals to f of y minus x the whole by xy minus z minus x the whole upon xz, prove that x squared dou u by dou x plus y squared dou u by dou y plus z squared dou u by dou z equal to 0. Now what are the steps? First job is to draw the chart. But here also, since like the previous problem, here also they have not given the names. Okay, the middle terms are missing. If you start the chart, you will know your starting thing is u, but in the middle you will get stuck that what I have to take. Like here, the middle terms you have to call them. So first step will be u equals to f of, okay, f of y minus x by xy, z minus x by xz. In the next step, let, you have to mention this extra step, let equal r y minus x by xy, s equals to z minus x by xz. You have to, now you can complete the chart. This is what r, this is a function of, r is a function of what, x and y, and s is a function of x and z, right? So you have to show this chart in this pattern, r comma s, and other is x comma y comma z. Now you have to mention by chain rule, what you can get dou u by dou x, which was this thing, which will be what, dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou x. Now you can get dou u, dou r by dou x using these things. Dou by dou x into, you have to substitute this value, y minus x by xy, which will be respectively, if you differentiate, you are going to get x square y square into x. Sorry, let's just simplify our jobs. Okay, how we will simplify our jobs? Okay, how we will simplify? We can write this thing as 1 by x minus 1 by y, and this I can write as 1 by x minus 1 by z. Don't you think? If I separate, okay, split out the denominator, I will get 1 by x and 1 minus z, and it is very easy to differentiate them compared to this using quotient rule. So to make my job easier, now I will differentiate dou u by dou x. What is my r now? My r is 1 by x minus 1 by z. So if I differentiate x, I will be left with minus 1 by x square. So easy. Similarly, dou s by dou x, if I differentiate dou by dou x, it is what? It is z minus x by, sorry, I am again writing this similarly, 1 minus x minus 1 by z. If I differentiate, I am going to get again the similar thing which I was getting, which is minus 1 by x square. Okay, now let's see here. Okay, so let's put the things dou u by dou x equals to dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x is what? It's 1 by minus 1 by x square, and this is dou u by dou s. This is what? Minus 1 by x square. So what we can do, we can take minus 1 by x square outside, right? And we can write this dou u and take minus inside, which will be dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou r, right? Call it as some a and call these things as 1. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write by chain rule. Similarly, don't do the entire thing again, it will be just a time waste. Dou u by dou, what you want? Y. So dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y. Since there is no term but also, I will write just to show the moderator that I can understanding what is going on. If I differentiate r with respect to y, I am going to get 1 by y square, and here I will just put 0. So I am getting this, I will call it as, okay, no, I will not call it as, this is my dou u by dou y. I will multiply throughout by y square, multiply throughout by y square. If you do that, you will get y square dou u by dou y. This will cancel out, you will left with dou u by dou r, call it b. Similarly, what you are going to get, dou u by dou z is nothing but dou u by dou r by dou z, dou u by dou s by dou z. I know this value is 0, dou u by dou s. This value, if I differentiate, I am going to get 1 by z square. So if I put this value, what I am going to get, this thing which is dou u by dou z, right? Now if I multiply throughout, okay, multiply throughout by z square, I am going to get z square dou u by dou z is nothing but dou u by dou s. And if you remember, here we have kept it till x square only. So what we are going to do, here both terms had minus, okay, so this one will also be minus, this one will also be minus. What we are going to do, multiply throughout by x square. So what we are going to get, x square dou u by dou x is nothing but minus dou u by dou s minus dou u by dou r. Call it a. Now you can call it. Now from this one called as C. From A, B and C, you can directly say x squared dou u by dou x plus y squared dou u by dou y plus z squared dou u by dou z is equal to 0, which is very clear also. Hope you have understand this problem clearly. I tried my best. Okay, this was a good question based on chain rule. Hope every step is clear to you. Let's move on to the next question, which is this. The question says, if u equals to f of x by y, comma y by z, comma z by x, prove that x dou u by dou x plus y dou u by dou y plus z dou u by dou z equal to 0. Here also we have to in this type of question, u equals to f of x by y. To complete the chart, you need to get this thing done. Let r equals to x by y, s equals to y by z, t equals to z by x. What you have to do here? Draw the chart, which was your main function is what? U, because here u are present and here also u are there. So u, r, s, t. U, r is a function of what? X comma y. These two. R is a function of y, z. T is a function of z, x. So you should not make the chart wrong. If you make chart wrong, there is a high probability that you will get wrong answer. After this, what you are going to do? You have to represent this chart, which will be u is a function of r, s, t, and this is a function of x, y, z respectively. Now you have to mention by chain rule. By chain rule, what you are going to get is dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x will be nothing but dou u by dou r into dou r by dou x. I am not going to write the terms which are not present, otherwise this question will, okay, extra steps will unnecessarily will add on. Okay, so here we are getting this thing. Further on, what we can do, let's get this value. So dou r by dou x will be nothing but differentiating this with respect to x. So if, okay, so here dr by dx is d by dx. R is what? X by y. If you differentiate it with respect to, you are going to get 1 by y. ds by dt by dx will be nothing but d by dx z by x. So you are going to get minus z by x square. If I further differentiate it, if I substitute the values, what I am going to get? Dou u by dou x and dou u by dou r into 1 by y plus dou u by dou t into minus z by x square. Here if I multiply it, multiply throughout by x dou u by dou x equals to x by y dou u by dou r plus minus z by x dou u by dou t. Just call it a. Now we are going to do the same thing which I did in the previous problem. By chain rule we are going to write similarly dou u by dou y will be nothing but dou u by dou r into dou r by dou y plus dou u by dou s into dou s by dou y. You can write the other one where it is not present and place it 0. It's up to you. I want to just, okay, this question is lengthy, so I want to just save my time. So here dou u by dou r by dou y, dou r by dou y will be nothing but minus x by y square. Dou u by dou s will be nothing but, if you differentiate this with respect to y, you are going to get 1 by z. Further on, this is multiply throughout by y. you are going to get y dou u by dou y equals to minus x by y dou u by dou r plus y by z dou u by dou s. Just call it B. Dou u by dou t, dou u by dou z, sorry, will be what? Dou u by dou r into dou r, dou u by dou s into dou s by dou z plus dou u by dou t into dou t by dou z. Here dou s by is nothing but minus y by x square dou u by dou s, and this thing is nothing but, if you differentiate, 1 by x dou u by dou t. If I multiply throughout by z, I'm going to get z dou u by dou t dou z, dou u by dou z equals to minus y by z dou u by dou s plus z by x dou u by dou t. Call it C. Add what? Add A, B and C. What we get? What we get if I add A, B and C? If I add, I'm going to get what stuff I'm going to get? X. Let me write the values. No. Dou u by dou the x, y, dou u by dou y, z dou u by dou z, which will be nothing but, if you write here, it is equal to what? Let me write the values. First, x by y, dou u by dou r, is there any term in C? Dou u by dou r, yes, there is one more, x minus y dou u by dou r. Similarly, dou u by dou t, here dou u by dou t is z by x and minus z by x into dou u by dou t. Similarly, here what we are going to have is dou u by dou s. So dou u by dou s is y by z, and here they have minus y by z, which is dou u by dou s. Okay, so you can clearly see all things are cancelling out and you are getting 0. So hence we have proved whatever we required. So we are done with this session. Okay, hope you have understand all these steps properly. So from the next session we are going to do some more questions on chain rule, and it will take about 2 or 3 lectures more. Then we will end up the chain rule and we will move on to implicit function. Okay, so till then revise these questions and the previous one, all of them, and thank you.